we're doing a big back to school haul. Okay, so we've got a lot of bags, a lot of things to cover. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I got a few things. I got clothes and supplies. So first I'm gonna start off with some clothes that I got for back to school, and these are honestly perfect. Love these clothes so much. First up, let's start with Garage. I got one thing from there. I got this amazing, beautiful red long sleeve scoop neck top. I mean, come on. It's literally stunning. I love the color on me. The scoop neck is so perfect. It's like the perfect length. It just cuts off perfectly. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed, and it's so soft. Literally like so smooth. It feels so comfortable. I'm obsessed with this top, and that was 25 bucks. So yeah, that was our first thing we got. And then I was at the mall, and I also went to Aeropostale, and from there I got a sweater. And here it is. This top is a medium, and it's just like this super cute white sweater with like blue stripes. I like it because it's like the perfect length. It's not like super cropped, and then like it's just like super cozy. It's not like itchy material at all. Like it's just like super nice. And honestly, like I can't wait to wear this for school because yes, it's still warm and hot out, but you know, fall's coming around the corner. We're gonna need some more long sleeves and sweaters, and I got rid of a lot of sweaters in my closet clean out video that should be coming out soon, or maybe it's already posted, but stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just needed a new sweater, and this was like 50% off, so that was good. Next up, we have clothes and supplies from Target. Let's get into it. Okay, so for clothes, first up I got these super cool sweatpants. I'm obsessed with these. They're like wide leg at the bottom, and like they're so cozy. They have pockets on each side that are like super nice, and like they look great folded over too, because the like tag isn't there, it's like down there, so when you fold it over, or if you just have it regular, you won't see the tag. Literally amazing. Love these sweatpants so much. I got those from Wild Fable, size small. And then the last thing I got was this small little Wild Fable tank. This is a medium, and it's just like a cute little tank top. I thought I could wear it for some of the last days of summer, and I thought it would also just kind of be cute to like layer under other clothes like sweaters or jackets or sweatshirts, because I like to do that. I like to wear like a tank top with like something layered over it, and I think this would be perfect for school when I wear those outfits. So yeah. Okay, now we got into supplies. Okay, so I got some supplies from Target. I'm gonna go through those first. I got these two folders. I thought they were really cute colors. I mean, come on. These are like so bright. They're so happy. I'm obsessed. I feel like all like the same boring colors have kind of been in my folder collection. I wanted something new, so I got two new folders because I have a bunch of folders, and these are just ones to replace the ones that broke from last year. So yeah. And they were only 50 cents each, so literally $1 for both of these folders. And then they have the 3 prongs on the inside, and they're just like this nice little plastic material. I can't wait to use these. They're so happy and colorful. Next up, we have this purple graph notebook. It's spiral, which is super nice. And then on the inside, it has graph paper. It's like nice and light, so you can write over it easily and see your writing. And this is going to be for math this year. I'm taking AP Calculus AB, and I wanted to make sure I just have my own notebook just for math with lots of pages to write in, because I don't know, I like having my own folder for math. I mean, my own notebook for math. I really enjoy it. Next thing I got are these high polymer erasers. These are a staple. All mine got really gross from my backpack, and I just needed some new ones. These are the best erasers out there. You need these. And then I also got some eraser caps because my pencils, I've been using these forever. Like I love just like basic wooden pencils. I don't know. A lot of people like mechanical pencils, but I just go with, you know, basic pencils, and they're fine if they're sharpened, but if they don't have an eraser, it annoys me so much. So we're finally getting them erasers. Last thing from Target is a little post-it note stack. It was like super cheap, just like one little stack, because I don't have any more just basic post-it notes, so if I ever need them, I have them here. Last place I went was Walmart. Let's take a look at what's inside the bag. All right, I got 2 3-subject notebooks. One is black and one is blue. They're 5-star, basically like the best brand ever. I love 5-star notebooks, and I like how it's 3 subjects. So literally these 2 notebooks plus that one other notebook for math is going to cover all of my classes for this year. And one of the things about my school is it's broken up into 4 classes one day, 4 classes the other day. I like to use these notebooks, so this is for one day of classes and this is for the other day of classes. I don't know what my schedule is, but once I do, I will customize these and I'll put little labels on here so I know which day is for which classes. But yeah, I love having this, and then I alternate having it in my backpack so it doesn't take that much space. Last thing I got from Walmart, a pack of Ticonderoga pencils. These are essential. They have amazing erasers. The tip is perfect. They're just quintessential things you need for back to school. Love these. All right, that's it for my back to school haul. I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe get inspired for back to school season. Comment down below when you guys start school. I start on September 5th, so after Labor Day is when I start school pretty much always, but some people start way earlier. I know people have already begun school, which is crazy, so if you're already in school, let me know in the comments. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I want to get back into it, so if you subscribe, that would be so awesome. We're getting really close to 5,000 subscribers, which is nuts. Like, literally crazy. Thank you guys so much for being here for me and just staying subscribed. I appreciate you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.